Right, he'll have to look over at the families, the jury, and he'll have to say he regrets it, and it'll be over. So do you think they'll deal with that pretty, I mean, they have to deal with it before cross, obviously. You can't let Dad know about it, your report card, yeah. You have to let him know. So we'll see how that goes. What about the defense case? Have they been able to, just through cross-examination, let's assume it's just Proctor and a couple others, and they're done on Wednesday. Have they been able to plant that seed of a conspiracy in the minds of the jury from what you've seen? I know you haven't watched the entire trial, none of us has, and the jury's seen everything and heard everything and felt everything.
No, I've seen a lot of the trial, and so for me, at the beginning of this trial, when somebody yells the word conspiracy, you put them at you put the bar very high. You tell them, okay, you're going to have to prove it to me. So if you're going to say that the conspiracy happened in front of a stadium audience, I'm not going to believe you. If you say it happened with just one person present, I'm more likely to believe you. There were so many people there. This was already a very difficult thing for the defense to do. You know, the taillight evidence, I just feel like there's so much innuendo that the defense are relying on. Kudos to these guys. They're doing a phenomenal job in putting up a conspiracy defense, but it was difficult at the beginning. The picture's becoming a little bit more clear. The sobriety evidence, where she was basically drunk even the day after she was still legally intoxicated after having many hours for the blood alcohol to metabolize. For me personally, that took me to the edge where I think she ran John O'Keefe over.
Intentionally?
Because not intentionally. She's got the 3 charges. I think they've already proven the vehicular manslaughter and the leaving the scene of an accident. In my opinion, I think they've proved it, because you just can't be that drunk and drive safely. I've been in these cases. I've seen the evidence. People run into walls. It's just being that drunk the day after means you were not ready to drive.